Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday Korean skincare routine.
So I'm going to start with using this deep cleansing oil by Pieu. So this is the first step to the double cleansing process, and I'm just going to use this oil all over my face to remove any dirt and makeup left over. Now I'm going to wash my face, and I'm just going to use a paper towel to dry my face. Next, I'm going to wash my face with this Neogen green tea foam cleanser, and I love that this actually has green tea leaves infused at the bottom of it. So the concept of double cleansing consists of first an oil-based cleanser and second a water-based cleanser, which is now the green tea cleanser I'm using. This helps to really clean your face and get anything else that the oil-based cleanser couldn't take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and dry it again. Next, I'm going to use the Licorice pH Balancing Toner by Acwell, and I'm just going to put a couple of drops on a cotton pad and wipe it all over my face. And you don't want to forget to use this toner on your neck as well, because you'll notice that there's a lot of sweat buildup that we don't actually realize. So it's good to use a toner to just clean that off. See what I mean? Gross. And now I'm just going to let my skin air dry for a couple of seconds. Now this is the Sulwhasoo concentrated ginseng renewing water that I'm going to go ahead and apply on my face. This is also a toner, but it's more of a gel-like toner, and the consistency is a lot more different. This also helps with balancing the pH levels of your skin. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat that into my skin so it can get absorbed. Next, I'm going to use a Time Revolution First Treatment Essence, and what I love about this product is that it's super lightweight and it doesn't feel sticky at all, so I love the consistency. And I'm just going to use a couple drops and pat it onto my skin. You really want to press this product into your skin so it absorbs well, because this product is meant to help prevent any fine lines and wrinkles. Next, I'm going to put on this Immortelle Reset Serum by Licorice, and this is going to go all over my face. I usually use about 2 pumps, and that's enough for my neck and my face. Next is my Innisfree Whitening Pore Eye Cream, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this right under my eyes. Just a quick tip that I learned. Whenever I have any excess eye cream, I just apply it to where I could potentially have frown lines in the future, like my forehead, because most eye creams do contain properties that help with preventing fine lines and wrinkles. This is the Elensilia Collagen Eye Cream, and I apply this under my eyes as well, and as you can see, it has more of a gel-like texture. Next, I'm going to apply this Sulwhasoo Essential Firming Cream all over my face and my neck. This helps to really seal in all the products that I've already put on my face. Last but not least is this Aloe Soothing Sunblock by Cosrx, and I always apply this product before I leave my house because it prevents any damage from the sun and UV rays. And that is my everyday skincare routine.
Before I end this video, I also just want to share a verse with you that has brought me a lot of comfort in my life, and I hope it could do the same for you. It's from Psalm 31, verse 24, and it says, "Be strong and let your heart take courage, all you who hope in the Lord." So today, if you are fearful or you're worried about anything, take courage in the Lord, and He's the one that will make you strong. Have a good one.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe below and stay tuned for more videos.